Next entry, entry number 73, Quezon, Camarines High School Incorporated, Poblacion Ilawod, Ragay, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff, Zaijan Marcad, Troop Commander, Ace P. Villar, Troop S1, Marian C. Diocareza, Troop S2, Denver D. Vezza, Troop SV, Mark R. Vargas, Troop S4, Major Leader, Eliza Luis Lualhati, DXMC Leader, AJ Mindevel, MAPE Company Commander, John Mark Deza, MAPE Company XO, Johan Kritz Mien, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Paul Joshua Belen, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Celeste Andes Schoolhead, Yolanda T. Abingosa, CTP MAPE Facilitator, Acer Velasco, Majors Coordinator, Gracieli Mien, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Kimberly Joy and Claudio. Entry number 73, Quezon Camarines High School Incorporated, Poblacion Ilawod, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 73, Quezon Camarines High School Incorporated from Ragay, Camarines Sur.